right, here we go. We got the 7y to the third. We've got negative 3y squared. We've got 4y. Now, 8y to the fourth. We don't have a y to the fourth, so let's make our own column there. 8y to the fourth. And we have 3y to the second. Let's put that under our other 3y to the second. So, we have 8y to the fourth. We'll just bring down our 7y to the third. Negative 3y squared plus 3y squared would be 0y squared. So those would cancel each other out. We could write 0y squared initially and then clean up later. And then we have the plus 4y. So if we were to clean that up, we would have 8y to the fourth plus 7y to the third. We'd have 0y squared, so you don't even write it. And then you have the plus 4y. That would be your final answer here. Am I putting boxes around answers on here? You know what I'm gonna.
Yeah. All right. Okay. So, 33, 34, we have subtraction. So remember, we'll just start changing everything after that minus. So we have 6w to the second, negative 3w plus 1. Let's go ahead and make it the opposite. So negative w squared, which again means negative 1w squared. We have negative w, which we can write as negative 1w, and we'll have positive 9, because it was minus negative 9. 6w squared minus 1w squared is 5w squared. Negative 3w minus 1w would be negative 4w. And 1 plus 9 is 10.
It's in standard form, and it's so much fun. Oh my goodness. I'm writing on the video, not on purpose. All right, negative 5x to the fourth. Now, do you see how my next term is x squared? I'm going to leave a little space just in case there's an x to the third. Oh, here we go. We have an x to the third. So I'll write negative x to the third in its own column. I'll make it negative 8x squared under the other x squared. Then I'll make it positive x. There we go. We've got everything right where it needs to be. So we'll bring down the negative 5x to the fourth. Oh, it's so much fun. We'll have the negative x to the third. 1x squared minus 8x squared would be negative 7x squared. And then we'll bring down our plus x. Oh no, Mr. Plan, I'm so sad. There's only one more problem, and it's us trying to figure out what mistake someone else made. Oh no. They had a subtraction problem. And I see they just rewrote the first three terms, 5x squared, negative 3x plus 1. And then they had minus 2x squared minus 4x. Oh dear. But Mr. Plant, aren't we supposed to make everything in the second set of parentheses after the minus? Aren't we supposed to make it the opposite? So they didn't make it positive 4x. Because remember, we're really subtracting negative 4x, which changes it to plus 4x. It's also going to happen with the minus negative 2, should be plus 2. So, Quan did not distribute that negative sign. Quan needed to make everything in the second parentheses the opposite. Before combining like terms. And that's it for today.